you don't go after what you want, you'll never have it. If you don't ask, the answer is always no. If you don't step forward, you're always in the same place. There are a million reasons to quit. I can't. I'm tired. It hurts. It's not the load that breaks you down. It's the way you carry it. To dream anything you want to dream. That's the beauty of the human mind. To do anything that you want to do. That is the strength of the human will. To trust yourself. To test your limits. That is the courage to succeed.